Have you ever dreamed of making $10,000 per month from the comfort of your home? Welcome to the age of digital entrepreneurship, where such dreams aren't just fantasies, but achievable realities. Today, we're on a quest to decode the secret to financial freedom through online ventures in 2024, an expedition to discover 10 effective ways to generate a handsome income online each month. If you're ready to learn, stay tuned as we dive into the first way to make your dream a reality. First off, consider creating multiple income streams that support each other. This approach is like spreading your eggs into different baskets. If one basket falls, you still have others. To translate this to the online world, it might mean running a blog while also selling products or services that complement your content. It could be having a YouTube channel and a Patreon account, or selling ebooks while offering courses. The beauty of the internet is that it provides countless opportunities to diversify your income. So, diversifying your income sources is a robust strategy to reach that $10,000 mark each month. Next, think about starting a YouTube channel. This platform is a goldmine for content creators, offering innumerable opportunities to reach a vast audience and monetize your passion. To tap into this potential, consider what unique insights or entertainment you can bring to the table. Developing engaging content is key, but so is understanding how to monetize your channel. This can be achieved through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even selling your own products or services. Remember, the key to success here is consistency and creativity. With these in your toolkit, a YouTube channel can be a lucrative online venture. Another effective way to generate income online is by building an Instagram theme page. A theme page is essentially a specialized Instagram account where all the content revolves around a specific topic or theme. It could be anything from fitness to fashion, or travel to tech. By curating and posting engaging content that fits your chosen theme, you can grow a substantial following. Once you've built a solid follower base, you can monetize your page through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Consistency, creativity, and a keen understanding of your audience's interests are key to making your page a success. An Instagram theme page can be a goldmine if managed effectively. Now let's speed things up a bit and cover the next 6 ways to make $10,000 per month online. First up, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you promote the products of others and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral links. It's a great way to generate passive income if you have a blog or a large social media following. Next, there's online coaching. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can share your knowledge and skills with others, and charge for your services. This could be anything from business consulting to personal fitness training. Third on our list is dropshipping. In this business model, you sell products directly to customers without holding any inventory. You simply take orders, forward them to a supplier, and they take care of the rest. It's a low-risk way to start an online store. Fourth, we have blogging. By creating engaging and informative content on a regular basis, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Fifth, consider selling digital products. This could be anything from ebooks to online courses, music, photography, or software. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and can sell them indefinitely. Finally, there's freelancing. If you have a specific skill set such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services to clients around the world. With the rise of remote work, the opportunities for freelancers are greater than ever. Remember, the key to success in any of these online ventures is consistency, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Now you have a roadmap to making $10,000 per month online. We've explored the power of creating multiple income streams that support each other, the potential of starting a YouTube channel, and the benefits of building an Instagram theme page. We've also delved into 6 other strategies, each offering unique opportunities to generate income online. Remember, the world of online business is vast and full of potential. It's a space where creativity, innovation, and persistence can truly pay off. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, e-commerce, blogging, or any of the other methods we've discussed, financial freedom is within your grasp. But it all starts with taking that first step. So, why not today? Start exploring, start creating, start building. The journey to $10,000 per month may seem daunting, but with determination and the right strategies, it's a goal that's well within reach. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.